This is Unit 2, Day 4, consecutive even and odd integers. This is question number 3 from the notes, which is also acting as homework for tonight. The problem says 3 sisters have ages that are consecutive odd integers. Find the ages if the sum of the age of the youngest and 3 times the age of the oldest is 5 less than 5 times the middle sister's age. So the first thing we have to do is do let statements. We know that there are 3 sisters. So based on that, we can go ahead and do 3 let statements. So I've already made part of those. Let x equal the first consecutive odd integer. Make sure you have the odd piece whenever you are writing these statements for even and odd questions. The next let statement says let x plus blank equal the second consecutive odd integer. We went over this in class today. Instead of doing x plus 1, which is what you would do for a consecutive integer that wasn't odd or even, you need to do x plus 2 is the second consecutive odd integer, because if we have an odd integer and we add 1, we're going to have an even integer. So instead we have to do x plus 2 because adding 2 to any odd integer will give you another odd integer. So for the third consecutive odd integer, we would take x and we would add 4. So now all we have to do is make our sentence. So we're going to read through the question again. Find the ages if the sum of the age of the youngest, so the youngest is going to be x. The sum, so I know I'm going to be adding something. The sum of the age of the youngest and 3 times the age of the oldest. Well, the oldest has to be x plus 4. So 3 times x plus 4 is, so is going to tell us equals 5 less than. This is important. This means it's going to come after whatever we're doing next. Okay, so the 5 less than is going to mean minus 5 at the end of whatever the next little part is. So 5 less than 5 times the middle sister's age. The middle sister is x plus 2. So 5 times x plus 2 minus 5. You got to take that 5 less. You would distribute here and then here, and you'll come out with x plus 3x plus 12 equals 5x plus 10 minus 5. Combine your like terms on either side. Nope, we don't have any to go with that, so I can just erase that one. Like terms here and over here as well. Oh. Okay, so with the like terms, we come out with 4x plus 12 equals 5x plus 5. Now we'll just solve it like a regular equation. I'm going to take 5 away from both sides. 4x plus 7 equals 5x. Now I want to get x alone, so I don't want to take the 5x away because then that will give me 0 all the way to the right. So I'm going to go with the 4x. I'm going to take away 4x. And basically this just gets me 7 equals x. Perfect. Did I answer my question? X equals 7. I only answered one of the questions because it asks for find the ages. Oops. Find all the ages, right? So because of this, I'm going to have to go ahead. X equals 7. X plus 2, 7, 8, 9. And x plus 4 is 11. So now I can do my check, which I would do over here. And I will find out that it checks. So I need to just write my sentence for the end. The ages are 7, 9, 11. This is my answer. After I've done my check, I will have answered the question because it said find the ages, and I'll be all set.